Honorable Acting President, Retired General Dr. CDG and Chiwenga, as he welcomes B777 aircraft from Malaysia here live at Robert Mugabe International Airport. The day is 20. It is on a Monday. It is January.
What are you guys seeing? Secretaries, dear President, senior government officials, captains of industry, ladies and gentlemen, dear President, Honorable Acting President, we have just arrived from Malaysia where you sent us daily flight B777-200ER to Harare. I was the head of the delegation comprising staff from CARS and Air Zimbabwe. We have landed according to the formal B777-200ER flight plan. A confirmation that the aircraft is in a very good condition. Your continued engagement and reinvestment policy is bearing fruits as witnessed by the planned cooperation, technical assistance, and facilitation we received. Facilitation we received from both developing countries on and before the ferry flight of this aircraft. Our trip was indeed a success. Today, Your Excellency, we gather here to receive the major government asset, the B777-200ER aircraft, and at the same time witness the handing over of the same assets to the national airline. We are optimistic that this equipment will go a long way in unlocking value in our aviation industry. We are proud of this gesture as it demonstrates the government's commitment to reviving national airlines here in Zimbabwe. The journey that has seen us gathering
Chiefs here present, Secretary for Transport and Infrastructure Development, Engineer Amos Marwa, and other permanent secretaries here present, senior government officials, captains of industry, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the government of Zimbabwe, I welcome you all to this important occasion to witness the delivery of the Boeing 777 from Malaysia for use by our national airline, Air Zimbabwe. Distinguished guests, the government's commitment to the revival of state enterprises and parastatals has taken a new direction and a new thrust. As you may all recall, state enterprises and parastatals used to contribute around 40% of our country's gross domestic product. Unfortunately, most of, if not all, of these public entities have suffered from a host of challenges, including the economic decline caused by illegal sanctions imposed upon us by determined and unashamed perpetrators of underdevelopment in third world countries. These unforgiving sanctions have rendered most of the equipment in the aviation industry unserviceable due to shortage of spare parts and other ancillary equipment, which should be imported from the external suppliers. As we gather here today to receive this vital government asset, we take cognizance and acknowledge the important role that aviation plays as one of the global industries connecting people, cultures, and businesses across continents. Thus, this asset comes at a crucial moment for the country as we aim to increase the amount of trade and business in line with our far-reaching mantra that Zimbabwe is open for business. The receipt of this B777 aircraft is a clear testimony that we are taking concrete steps to capacitate our national airline so that it plays its role in promoting economic growth, creating jobs, and facilitating international trade and tourism. This initiative is therefore part of our efforts towards the realization of our Vision 2030, as informed by our economic blueprint, the Transitional Stabilization Program. Ladies and gentlemen, government remains committed to ensuring that our beloved national airline is restored to full functionality. The tourism industry is currently one of the low-hanging fruits of this country and many others. In that vein, the present and future Zimbabwe's economic success rests with the proper branding of the country as a safe and reliable destination of choice, where people from all parts of the world can visit and wish to stay forever. I challenge all of us to play a part in Team Zimbabwe so that we make tourism the cogwheel that will drive our economy forward. As all of us may be aware, tourism is now a billion-dollar industry, which depends on the movement of large volumes of people in and out of countries, such as our great Zimbabwe. This requires that the country should have a viable airline to deliver these tourists to and from all over the country's tourism destinations. Hence, the revival of Air Zimbabwe cannot be overemphasized. As we hand over this asset to the airline, we call upon the administrator to utilize it in the most effective manner possible. As government, we remain ready to support the airline where necessary. I wish to point out that my full awareness that this aircraft is best deployed on long-haul routes. In this light, it is therefore necessary for all stakeholders and partners involved to work together to ensure that this is possible. I am also aware that there are some other players who have shown interest in partnering the national airline, and we welcome them all on board. Such types of engagement provide traction in our efforts to recapitalize the national airline to become a regional and international competitor of note. I want to conclude by urging the Air Zimbabwean team to utilize this asset for the benefit of our nation at large. It is our tourism flagship and international status symbol whose reputation should never be compromised. I thank you. Tatenda Siyabonga.
Here we go, hands together, Ululation Runemrito. Yes, that's better. All of us to rise as His Excellency Acting President and Guest of Honor will then propose a toast to the national airline for long, lifelong business and engagement, re-engagement efforts through the hospitality in disguise.
To the success of Air Zimbabwe and to the revamping of our tourism industry. Yes.